Hello students. See, in the previous video we started question number 7 and we did sub question 1. Now I'll do sub question 2. See, in the denominator you have x plus y and x minus y. Here you have x plus y, x minus y. So the denominators are same and here they are same. Now, as I told you, only focus on the numerators. Don't see the denominators. Only focus the numerators and we will make them same. Okay, so any one. Either make this one same or this one same. Whichever is easier to do it. Okay, so here I think 10 and 15. The LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Which is easier to make it same. Okay, so I'll make 10 and 15 same. So I'll multiply this with 3 and this with 2. 15 2s are 30, 10 3s are 30. Okay, so let's make this same. Now these 3 will get multiplied with the numerators. Okay, 3 will get multiplied with the numerators. So 7 3s are 21 upon x plus y plus 10 3s are 30 upon x plus y is equals to 9 3s are 27. And here 2 will get multiplied with all the numerators. So 16 upon x plus y plus 30 upon x minus y equals 22. Now these both are same and signs are also same, plus plus. So I will subtract them. Minus, minus, minus. Correct? So I told you that whenever you subtract, when there is a fraction, only focus on the numerator. So 21 minus 16. 21 minus 16 is 5 upon x plus y. This 30 minus 30 will get cancelled. 27 minus 22 is 5. Now 5 is equals to 5 into x plus y. This x plus y went here and I'll transfer this 5 down. So 5 upon 5 is x plus y. This will become 1. So that means x plus y is equals to 1. This is my first equation. Now I will substitute this value of x plus y is equals to 1 in any of this equation. Let's say I substitute in the first equation. So first equation is, I'm doing it here so that the question is visible. 7 upon x plus y plus 10 upon x minus y is equals to 9. So in the place of your x plus y, I will put 1. So here I'll put 7 upon 1 plus 10 minus is equals to 9. 7 upon 1 means 7. Okay, so this 7 I will transfer here. So 10 upon x minus y is equals to 9 minus 7, that is 2. Correct? So 10 upon x minus y is 2. I'll send this x minus y here. 10 is 2 into x minus 5 and this 2 will come down here. So what is 10 upon 2? It is 5. That means x minus y is 5. Understood? I hope you've understood. Now we have the first equation and the second equation. Now we will solve these two equations very easily. See, x plus y is equals to 1 and x minus y equals to 5. These are the two equations. Now simply add them. So plus y minus y will get cancelled. X plus x is 2x. 1 plus 5 is 6. So x is equals to 3. Okay. And once you have x is equals to 3, you can substitute it in this equation and find the value of y. You can substitute in any equation, but always choose the simplest one. So x plus y is equals to 1. 3 plus y equals 1. So y is 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So my answer for y is minus 2. And I have told you that always write the final answer. Final answer, how to write it? Final answer is 3 comma minus 2. Okay, this is the answer. Copy the sum. First this part, then this part, then this. The third sub question in question number 7, I want you to do it on your own. Okay, so pause the video, look at this sum, and similarly solve the third sub question also. Okay, pause the video, solve it, see your answer, check your answer, and then continue with question number 8. Okay, solve it now only. Now question number 8 is multiplication method. Now this is a very different method, and to solve the equations, in the end you will get the value of x and y only, but the question is the way to do the multiplication method is very different. So how to do it? See, the equations are, I'm taking the first question. This is the question. Copy the question. Now arrange this question should be arranged in this form. Now what is this form? See, this means first the x variable will come, then y, then number, and then equal to 0. Which means, see, if you have 4x minus 5y equal to minus 7. So you have to just a second. Okay, so you have to first bring this minus 7 on the left hand side. It will become plus 7, then equal to 0. This is the form you have to use in the question. Equal to 0 होना चाहिए, सारे नंबर, सारे वेरिएबल, सब कुछ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे आना चाहिए और ऐसे लिखना है. Then you have to copy it here and then solve it. Okay, so make sure you do this before starting the question. Then जो x का साथ कोएफिशिएंट है that is a, the coefficient with y is b and the last number is c. So यहाँ पे x के साथ कोएफिशिएंट क्या है 4, y के साथ -5 और ये 7, x के साथ 3, y के साथ the coefficient is -4. The coefficient is always with sign. Coefficient means the number with the variable. So y के साथ है -4 and then है +6. So ये जो फर्स्ट लाइन है इसमें ये a है, ये b है और ये c है, करेक्ट. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन के जो नंबर्स है विल कॉल देम a1, b1 एंड c1, और जो सेकेंड इक्वेशन है उसके नंबर्स को विल कॉल a2, b2 एंड c2. Okay, so let's write their values. So a1 is 4, b1 is -5 and c1 is 7. Similarly, a2 is 3, b2 is -4 and c2 is 6. Okay, once you have written this, Now remember this short form BCAB. BCAB means B cab. You can remember it like this, B cab. This short form, because we have to arrange it in this form now, means we have to write here B C A B. Write it once again, B C A B. This first line, name it as 1, B1 C1 A1 B1. Okay, and the second line, name it as B2 C2 A2 and B2. Now you have to remember this. You have to remember these steps. There is no substitute to it. So once this is done, now substitute the values here for A1 B1, for B1 B2 C1 C2 A1 A2 and so on. So B1 B2 is -5 -4. C1 C2 is 7 6. A1 A2 is 4 3. And B1 B2 is -5 -4. Okay. Once you have done that, the next step is to cross multiply. Okay. But before that, you have to write it like this: x upon equals y upon equals 1 upon. Okay, now what will come in this denominator, I'll tell you. Okay, before that, what will come here? First, let's start with x. What will come in the denominator? So pay careful attention. See these first two columns. Okay, cross multiply. How to cross multiply? See, ऊपर से start करना है. -5 into 6. -5 into 6. Okay, multiply this -5 into 6. Then put a minus sign. Okay, and then this multiplication. -4 into 7. -4 into 7. Put a bracket also if you want. What I did, see, पहले इसको multiply करना है -5 into 6. देन बीच में एक माइनस साइन, बड़ा माइनस साइन, देन -4 into 7. ओके, ऐसे माइनस ऐसा, करेक्ट, वो आएगा x के नीचे. ये फर्स्ट दोनों का किया तो वो आ गया x के नीचे. ठीक है, इसके लिए फॉर्मूला भी है. इसके लिए फॉर्मूला ऐसा होता है, फॉर्मूला इज x अपॉन B1 C2 माइनस B2 C1 मीन्स x अपॉन B1 इंटू C2 माइनस B2 इंटू C1. ओके, बट ये याद नहीं रहेगा एग्जाम में. कहीं यहाँ पे गलती कर दिया, अगर B2 C1 लिख दिया तो पूरा सम रॉन्ग. ओके, सो ये याद रखने से अच्छा है जस्ट रिमेंबर द डायरेक्शंस, दैट दिस इज गेटिंग मल्टीप्लाइड विद दिस एंड -4 इज गेटिंग मल्टीप्लाइड विद 7. सो ऊपर से नीचे, देन नीचे से ऊपर. ओके, दिस इज बेटर एंड यू डोंट नीड टू राइट द फॉर्मूला ऑल्सो इन एग्जाम. सो ये हो गया. अब y के नीचे नेक्स्ट दो को लो. ठीक है, सो पहले ऊपर से नीचे 7 इंटू 3, माइनस साइन डालना मत भूलना, देन 6 इंटू 4. करेक्ट, 7 इंटू 3 माइनस 6 इंटू 4. 6 इंटू 4. ओके, देन ये दोनों लेते हैं, ये दोनों कॉलम. 4 इंटू -4, वो इसके नीचे आएगा 1 के नीचे. सो 4 इंटू -4 प्लस 3 इंटू -5. Sorry, minus sign will come in between. Always minus sign comes in between. Okay, so minus sign here. Now this is done. Let's do the calculation. So x upon -5 into 6 is -30 and -4 into 7 is -28. Correct, and there is minus sign here also, so minus will become plus 28 equals y upon 7 3s are 21 minus 6 4s are 24. Okay, equals 1 upon 4 into -4. What is 4 into -4? -16, correct. And this minus, see there is minus sign here and minus sign here. Minus will become plus. 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15. Okay, so this will become x upon minus 2 minus 30 plus 28, y upon minus 3 and 1 upon minus 1. Correct? We reached till here. Now what to do? X or y, both are unknown. So first compare this x with this one. See, all three are equal. There is an equal to sign between here. Matlab this is equals to this is equal to this. Okay. So first what you do? Ignore this part and solve this. X upon minus 2 equals 1 upon minus 1. Okay. So solve it. X upon minus 2 equals 1 upon minus 1. Cross multiply. This 2 will go here. So x is equals to minus 2 upon minus 1. Minus minus cancel. X is equals to 2. Got it? Now ignore this part and solve this. Cross multiply. Okay, so bring this minus 3 here. So y upon minus 3 is equals to 1 upon minus. So y is equals to minus 3 upon minus 1. Minus minus cancel. Y is equals to 3. So you got x is 2, y is 3. Final answer 2, 3. Okay. See, this was something new for you. So it is better you rewind the video and watch this 5-10 minutes once again. I'll give you a quick revision what I did in the sum. See, first you write the equations, all numbers on the left hand side equal to 0. Then this is named as A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Correct? Write their values. Then write BC, AB, BC, AB. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Correct? Put their values here. Values लिख दिया. फिर x upon y upon 1 upon. Okay. Now what will come in x upon? ऊपर से नीचे -5 into 6. Then minus sign. -4 into 7. Okay. Then y के नीचे this into this minus this into this. 1 के नीचे last 2. 4 into 4 and this. And solve it like this. Simplify it and then compare the first one with last one, second one with last one. Cross multiply. You will get the answer. Okay. So this is done now. I'll do one more sum. There are total 4 sums in the book. I'll do the 2 sums and you do the 2 sums. Okay. If any doubts in any step, you can ask me anytime. The second one, I want you to do it. In the second one, the question is 5x minus 2y plus 9 equals 0. And the second equation is 4x plus 3y equals 2. So I have told you first that this 2, you should bring it here first. Okay. So this equation you will make it as 4x plus 3y minus 2 equals 0. Okay. This should not be in this form. It should be in this form. And now you can make this A1, B1, C1, A2, B2 and C2. And then you can solve it. Okay. But wait, don't solve it now. First see the third sum, how I am doing it again. And then solve the second one. See, I am doing the first and the third. You do the second and the fourth. Okay. But first look at these 2 sums, how I am doing it. I've done the first one, now I am doing the third one. Then you solve these 2. Pause the video and solve these 2 and check your answer behind. Now again here equals to 23 equals to 18. First I'll bring these numbers on the left hand side. Okay, so correct, I brought these numbers on the left hand side. Now because you have to bring it in this form, remember this is called as the standard form. Once this is done, this is a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 and c2. So I'll write their values a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 and c2. So what is the value of a1? 7. b1 minus, there is no number means it is 1, so minus 1, and c1 is minus 23. a2 is 8, b2 3, and c2 is minus 18. Now I have told you how to write it, B C A B. So write here B C A B 2 times. The first one will have number 1, second one will have 2. Substitute the values. Then x upon y upon 1 upon. Okay, x upon y upon and 1 upon. X upon, what will come here? The first 2 columns. ऊपर से नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करो, -1 into -18, करेक्ट, माइनस साइन 3 into -23, 3 into -23. In the second one, ऊपर से नीचे फर्स्ट, -23 into 8, माइनस साइन, डोंट फॉरगेट दिस माइनस साइन. ओके, इन दोनों के बीच में एक माइनस साइन आती है, अलग है जो, -18 into 7, and then last these two, so 7 into 3 minus 8 into -1. okay, -1 into -18 is +18. then this minus and minus will become plus, minus 3 into 23 is 69. -23 into 8, -184, -184. This minus will become plus. 18 into 7, do the multiplication. 7 3s are 21, minus plus 8. Now this will become 70 plus 18, 88, 87. 184 minus 126, 58, minus 58, and this will become 29. Now I have told you, compare the first and the last one. So x upon 87 equals 1 upon 29. So x is equals to 87 upon 29. This 87 went here. Now this is 1 and 3s are. So x is 3, and now compare these two. Y is equals to -2. That's therefore my final answer is 3, -2. Okay. Copy the sum. First part, this is rough work. Now, see, we have completed exercise 5A. Okay, the exercise 5B is word problems. So in your school, if word problems are done or they have started, just inform me which sums are done, is there any omission, just inform me about these. Okay, because these word problems are little complicated. So I want to know what school is doing first, and then we can proceed with this. Okay, otherwise we have completed this. That's it for today, because this topic is done. I'll give you some homework also. Goodbye.